Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
A girl was getting tea from the kettle. Her mother was giving milk to the kitten. Suddenly, a kangaroo kicked a koala. Be kind and careful always. Dear kids, let's meet with a new alphabet K, and its sound is K. 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 Kangaroo. K. K. Kitten. K. K. Koala. K. K. Cattle. K. K. Kiwi. K. K. Key. Dear kids, can you imagine what a kangaroo looks like? How do you think they move? See you in the next lesson.